here. Press the lift button. It's from Kone. As I know, I searched from the net where's Kone lifts. And this one. Oh, sorry, that was the counter, right? Oh, I'm mistaken. That's the counter at Sheev. Oh no. Oh, I got separate. Okay. Oh, wow. Response in a millisecond. What's this? Okay, press 1 floor. There you go. A little shock, but everything seems good. Let's go back to ground. Let's see. Wink. Oh, first it goes at the same direction up and then it starts going down. Okay, lift is in surface. First floor. Okay, it's computer controlled. Oh wait, it's gearless. Oh, it's gearless. Oh, why this starts before switching the contact to up floor? That could be dangerous. That's okay. Let's see the response time of the elevator. Okay, let it shut down. Let's wait. Let it shut down. There we go. Shut it down. Let's press the ground floor. Oh yeah. Felt that? It went up and then down. It felt? Yeah. What's happening here is that it's going up and then down. Come. We'll buy something from here maybe. Okay, there we go. Kone! Let's go Kone! Oops guys, we took the wrong path we need to go. Damn, this lift. Okay, we came from there, crossed this road, through here, and now we have the lift. That is the room, and there are many other things. Okay, there we go. Let's press the switch. Let's see. Oh wait, sketchy. Nothing is working.
ये ऊपर को नहीं उठी.
Yes. A little jerk it happened, but this little lift did not go up, guys. Yeah, no, I'm not feeling safe in this lift. Guys, the moon room is open. Anybody can go there and tweak anything. I'm not going there because, somebody catches us, that would be big trouble.